Let's do it.
All right, so this cocktail right here, I call a night in Brazil, it is it's a take on a New York sour. So again, I'm a New Yorker. You know, I got to big up New York. So this is also
Great drink.
It's a take on a New York sour. New York sour is basically a whiskey sour with a float of wine on top, generally made with bourbon. But as with a lot of sort of classic cocktails, any classic cocktail is ultimately a formula that you can use to build off of, riff off of here. And for me, one of the things I love about Cachaça is just the richness of the flavor and all the different herbaceous qualities that are there. You're talking about basically an agricole spirit, coming straight from sugarcane, and so you get all those flavors. And so I just started riffing off of flavor here and putting a bunch of stuff here. You know, it's almost my joke is it's a salad, but you know, it's only in kind of the idea that a lot of things are coming together here. When a salad is, I mean, it's not that direction, but that's what's happening here. So I'll go ahead and get started making this drink. We'll start. It's 3/4 of fresh squeezed lemon. And then we'll go kind of working across. We make this rosemary syrup. So we'll do a little 1/4 ounce of the rosemary. 1/4 ounce of Benedictine. A little splash of Amaretto. And this great Dekuyper triple sec. We'll do a 1/2 ounce of that. So, you know, the other thing in cocktails, everyone knows it's about balance. And, here you're thinking, okay, it's only 3/4 of lemon. How do we sort of get that balance of sour and sweet here, which is why we're using the wine. And so I'm using a drier cab that's a little bit sort of murky and kind of becomes a balancing agent here, a bitter, if you will, to kind of to make this from being from being too sweet. All right, so last but not least, we'll go with Avuá.
Good choice.
I mean, thank you for sending that Amberana. I fucking love it. I was going to use the Amberana in making this, but I was like, then I'd be showing off to everyone. But oh man, that's some good juice there, man.
Thank you, brother.
All right, so let's throw some ice in here. Now, got a little nice cube of ice going here for us too.
It's funny. Almost every time everybody's making drinks sitting down at like a desk, it's really nice to see somebody at a bar.
To be in a bar? Yeah. I'm bringing you in. I mean, this is the best I could do for you right now.
Yeah.
You can actually be here in 67. At least you get to experience 67 a little bit right now.
Feels good.
All right. That smells absolutely amazing. Thank you, Pete. All right. And we'll finish this off. And so the only thing I don't know is if anyone's actually drinking with me right now. I can't see you all, but
yeah, it's hard to know.
I hope so.
Yeah, let's throw the rest. That looks amazing. I love that idea, the cab, by the way, of thinking about it as the bitter. I feel like usually when you get a float of wine, it is not a flavor profile like that. I think it's a great idea.
Yeah.